Hello, this is Doug Brook at NorthStar DHI Services. Today we're going to be looking at genetics management and monitoring the genetic investment in your herd. My first stop along the way is going to be going to standard reports. Once I choose standard reports and look at the 804 herd summary, I can preview that. And what I'm looking for is the average net merit dollar value for the animals in the herd. First, the replacements are in the top three boxes, and then first, second, third, and greater, and an average for the whole herd in the bottom part of this grid box. Now, if I want to see how well I've been doing over the past year, I can go back to a year ago test day, preview that. I can look and see what this information is and keep track of it that way from year to year. Another report that is also useful is called the herd summary. That's the 801 report. And if I go ahead and preview that for this most current test day, I'm going to have a summary by service sire, first, second, and third, and greater, and all service sire PTA dollar values. And here again, if I want to go back to a previous test day, which would be a year ago, take a look at that same report. I now have my summary by service sire for PTA dollar values. The next place I would be looking would be in the herd graphs. Once I open that up, I'll find a PTA dollar value for cows by lactation. And here we have a 3-year summary of what's gone on with the PTA dollar values for first lactation, second, and third lactation cows. And this big drop that we see here is because the basis had been refigured in January of 2015. One of the next tools that I would be looking at would be generating a new user report. So if I go ahead and create a new user report, that's that new button right up here. And I'm going to call that net merit dollar value by lactation. Once I have a title, I'm going to be looking at cows only. The database items I want to list would be number 50, which would be index. Number 8 would be lactation number. 56 would be my net merit dollar value. 57 would be my sire's net merit dollar value. And I want to be able to look at this over lactations. So once I go into my subgroupings, choose database item number 8, which is for lactations. I'll choose lower as 1, upper as 1, lower 2, upper 2, lower 3, upper 3, lower 4, upper 4, lower 5, upper 20. So that includes all animals. The reason I want to have this subgrouping is so I can view this file in crosstabs. I'm going to save that file as number 68 for me. Here in user reports, I will find that newly created report number 68. Choose the crosstabs button in the bottom right. Once I go into value in parentheses, I want to look at my net merit dollar value. And it's staying pretty steady for all the cows from first lactation through 20th lactation, if there are any. If I take a look at the sire's net merit value, I notice that the first lactation animals are a higher value than what fifth and greater lactation are, because I've been using a little better sire throughout the years to try and improve my genetic value in my herd. Today we've had 3 ways that we can take a look at the genetic management and monitoring the genetic investment for the herd: standard reports, user reports, and herd graphs. This is Doug Brook at NorthStar DHI Services. Thank you.